Fridays, where I get to celebrate you as the fierce, intentional, resilient, and empowered woman that you are. Friday is the only day of the week named after a goddess. It is a day of the week that we can come together and honor the divine feminine. And as women, we can tap into our feminine fire so that we can overcome our pain, our trauma, and disappointments to maximize our potential to live a fierce and phenomenal life. Today, let's talk about superheroes. Do you know why we all like superheroes? It's because we can identify with their pain. We can identify with that part of them that has been fractured, disappointed, abandoned, etc., etc. But that is the part of them, though, that has given them the access to their superpower. So did you know that because of your pain, your trauma, and your disappointments, that you too can tap into your superpower, which is the life force that lives within you, so that you can overcome anything. You can overcome all the pain, all the trauma, all the disappointments and circumstances that you feel have been keeping you stuck from being able to live the life of your dreams. There is a superpower within you, and it is because of your pain and your trauma and your disappointments that you get to either learn from them, grow from them, or be in a position to cope with them. And either way, you're going to eventually figure out how to tap into that superpower so that you can get unstuck, unblocked, and be able to live the life of your dreams. It's not as hard as people try to make it seem like it is. It is really just a process of being able to accept yourself right where you are. And that's all you have to do. And you will see the power that is in you has always been there to help you get over the top where you can see exactly how much power you actually have. You are a superhero. You were born by divine design, and everything that you need is inside of you. All you have to do is tap into it, and you will be a superhero too. I have helped countless women learn how to tap into their superpower, which I call your feminine fire, so that they can overcome all kinds of situations in order for them to live the life of their dreams. I'd like to invite you to work with me in a 90-minute free session where I will show you the next steps to being able to tap into your superpower so that you can live the life of your dreams too. Just go to mycoachdiva.com. That's mycoachdiva.com. And I will see you next week on the next episode of Fierce Feminine Fridays. So have an amazing weekend, and love and fire.